One of my goals for this year is to try and reach $300,000 as a freelancer. Last year, I've shared here on this vlog, I made $200,000 as a freelancer, and so that's a pretty big step up. I know it's ambitious, but I think it's possible. We're at the beginning of April right now, and I've already invoiced around $73,000, and so I'm making progress. I think that's feasible, but I think I'm now realizing kind of the limitations of where I am right now and what's stopping me from actually reaching that goal. And I think that the major thing is the type of client that I work with, which I love working with. I'm usually working with early stage startup that are funded. They have raised money, so they have the budget to pay me. But the range of the projects are usually kind of like maybe around $20,000 per project. Some are bigger and some are smaller, but that's kind of the average scale of the project. And if I keep doing what I did last year and kind of what I'm doing right now, it's not very feasible that I'll reach this goal because I'm just going to keep doing what I did before, and I can't produce more, I can't overwork more hours. And remember, I'm still balancing a family and working on Prospero. And so if I keep doing what I did last year, it's not very reasonable that I have different results or much better results than last year. And so I realized that something has to change. So it's either trying to scale the clients that I have right now, taking more projects by hiring somebody else, which is a direction that I don't necessarily want to go with. I might go in that direction, but I don't necessarily go in that direction. I have to hire somebody, train them, work with them. My margins will be lower. But that's one possibility. The other possibility is to try and look for a different type of clients which are bigger, clients which has projects that are in the scale of $100,000 per project. So those are not going to be the same type of clients that I've been working with because they don't have the money for those kind of projects. So I'll probably be either late stage startups or institutions, big institutions that have those budgets. But this is going to be very difficult because the network that I've been building for myself as a freelancer for years now is that network of early stage startups. And I don't really know many people who can bring me like big type of projects, and so I'm not really sure where to find those clients, but I understand that I need to make this move if I want to reach the next level. And so this is where I'm struggling right now. I actually also going to have to make some difficult conversation with clients that I have at the moment, in which I've been working with for a long time, and they're paying me rates that I used to charge a few years ago, and now in my effort to try to move my career to the next phase, I'm going to have to either, leave them or update the rate much higher, like double my rate, which is always a super difficult conversation. And so I'm going to have to do this, which is painful. But I guess any change is painful. You're not going to just progress by doing the same thing. So one of the goals that I have for today is to kind of research and come up with at least 10 ideas of how I can find big projects or new type of clients. So I'm heading off to my client's office. I'm going to be working from a client's office today and going to try and do this research, ideate some ideas, and hopefully by the end of the day, I'll have some ideas on how to progress. Alright, so my goal for today was to come up with 10 ideas of how to reach the 300K goal, which I didn't come with 10 ideas, but I did refer back to a book that I once read, The $1 Million Consultancy, which kind of helped me to understand that as a consultant you can either sell kind of domain expertise or you can sell expertise of a process. And up until now, most of the things that I sell my clients are kind of domain expertise, which is branding and websites building, and I should probably move into selling processes, which is something like the design sprint, which I'm super excited about. Since last year I did a few of them which were really successful, and so I'm gonna try and focus on how I can sell more of these.
Most of my clients don't come to me for those sprints, so I wonder if I should try to sell them or try to reach out to new clients. I'm going to be having a talk with AJ and Smart, the people in Germany, which I had the Design Sprint Bootcamp app, and I'm going to try to figure out from them how they sell the Design Sprint, so maybe that will be helpful. Going to keep brainstorming on that and gonna keep on focusing, even if I don't know like all the little steps and to how to reach the goal. I'll start with the things that I can to push myself in that position and hopefully track my progress and see how that goes. All right, hope you guys are having a successful day, and I will catch you guys tomorrow.